Welcome back to the channel everyone. So this is again going to be a very short video where I wanted to share an update I received from BMW a couple of days ago. Well, I received a recall notice from BMW to get the EGR unit checked and replaced. And for those who are wondering what EGR stands for, it's nothing but exhaust gas recirculation. And this is an effective strategy used to control the emission of nitrogen oxide in diesel engines. The EGR unit reduces the nitrogen oxide by lowering the concentration of oxygen inside the combustion chamber and also through heat absorption. You should be able to find enough details on how an EGR unit works in the internet, so I do not wish to go into the details of it. So when I received the recall notice, I checked with the service center and I came to know that they had sent this notice to almost 4,000 plus customers. So some of the consequences of an EGR unit failure would be power loss, reduction in the mileage, smell from the exhaust gas, etc. The most funny part about this is they managed to send this notice to me through post, and this took almost a month to reach me. If you look at the date, it dates back to 25th Jan 2024 and I received it last week. I was really surprised that I did not get this notification in email. So they never failed to send me emails related to their launches, their offers, etc. and they literally used to spam my inbox. Well, I can understand if there was a delay of 2-3 days, but this took almost a month to reach me. And let me read out a statement which they have written in this notice, and you can also see it in the screen. In very rare cases, this can cause a vehicle fire. So I've been using the car for the past 1 month very exhaustively without even knowing that this could be a very big problem until I received this notice. So I did check with the service team on why I did not receive an email communication on this one, and they seems to be equally surprised. So I would really like to know if this is just me or they have done the same thing with all the other customers also. Anyway, I've decided that I should write an email to BMW and ask them for the reasons why they decided to do it this way. And also the car was due for its third service, so I thought it would be the perfect time to get everything done at one go. So I scheduled a service appointment and they have taken the car yesterday. There are other issues which I have identified in the past 1 year post the second service. The first one would be the park assist failure. I have done a dedicated video on that, so if you have not watched it, please do watch that video. I've also identified some issues with the rain sensing wipers. During the last service they changed the wiper blades, and after that I was able to see that it is leaving some marks during the cleaning. In addition to that, it also makes a jerk when it rests after the cleaning. Also, there is a very common issue which many others have reported related to the rain sensing wipers. Sometimes there is a delay, and when we really need the wiping to be faster, it's not able to deliver that. And this slow response during intense rains makes it really hard to drive because it impacts the visibility. And I'm sure this was working before, so I'm going to take it up with them and see what they can do about it. I've also asked them to check the brake pad conditions. I'm sure that they're going to come back and say that it's conditional servicing and the car has not shown that it is due. But still, I want them to take a look and then see what they're able to find out. I've also asked them to check the air conditioning and make sure that everything is good over there. There's no specific issue as such, but just as a preventive measures, I have asked them to check. So that's everything I can think of as of now. I shall keep you all posted on the EGR unit replacement and also the third service updates. Until then, bye bye and take care everyone.